Listen up, recruit! You better not scroll past this video! Wait, why am I even talking? Oh, right! Jane Francis made me talk with this new free secret AI tool. Now I'm out here giving orders like it's a Netflix show.
Hey, guess what? I found a secret AI toy, and it makes pictures talk like me. Come, let me show you. It's super magic.
Yeah, this new AI turns any image into a video with perfect lip sync, completely for free, just like me. And guess what? It's not Grok, Hydra, Daigen, Hygen, or Dreamface. This is a new secret AI that no one has talked about yet. All right, now let's switch to my original voice.
Alright, back to my normal voice. My name is Jane Francis. If this is your first time of seeing me and you're interested in AI and video editing, then I advise you to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos.
And yes, quick one. If you want to learn directly from me, if you want to get access to my course and mentorship, where I guide you on how to edit videos like a pro using just your smartphone, plus AI and AI animations, then smartphone video editing with J is what you need. To get access to my course and mentorship, link in the description box of this video. With that being said, let's get started.
Now, welcome to my phone. Now, before we head over to this AI that allows you to make any image to talk for free, first of all, let's get an image that we are going to be using for animation. Now, to generate my image, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. You can use any image generator of your choice. You can use Whisk AI, ImageFS, Leonardo, any one of your choice. Now, on ChatGPT, if you want to use your own image to create the image, all you just have to do is to click here. Click on this plus icon on ChatGPT. Once you click on it, select the image that you want to use. So I'm just going to select this image that I got from a free stock image site. I'm going to be using this image to create a 3D cartoon using ChatGPT. So I'm just going to select the image now and we continue. Alright, so now I've added the image and below it I typed, let me read out the prompt. Using the image above, generate a 3D cartoon character sitting in a modern YouTube studio background. Image ratio 16:9. Now this image ratio, if you are creating this video for TikTok, obviously you should use 9:16. So depending on the platform that you are creating the video for. Now just hit on send, and now ChatGPT is going to generate the image for us. So let's wait. We are turning this image to a 3D cartoon. After that, we head on to this website I'm about to review to you in this video.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now ChatGPT have generated the image for us. You can see the reference image that we gave, and you can see the cartoon character that we generated. This website, you can also lip sync realistic images. You can lip sync realistic images, cartoon character, any image, you can make them talk. So I'm just going to click on this image and I'll click on save, click here, and it's going to be saved directly to your phone. Alright, so now that I've saved this image, let's go to the website. Alright, so here we are on this website. It's called Maggie. I'll try and leave the link in the description box of this video so that once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to this website. Now on this website, once you sign up for an account, they're going to give you 500 credits. On this website, you can create up to 30 seconds video, 30 seconds lip synced videos for free on this website at once. Damn! Now, video creation costs about 40 to 70 credits depending on the length of your video. So if you look up here, you can see that I have 160 credits remaining, and you can see that I'm on the free plan. So as of the time I'm recording this video, this platform offers a free plan. So every month they give you 500 credits that you can use to create lip synced videos for free. So this platform is not yet popular, and I believe that once this platform gets traffic, they may remove their free plan. So if you have access to this information, use this platform properly now that it's still free. Now on this platform, all you just have to do is just to sign up for an account. Then once you sign up for an account, you start creating your videos. Now here is where you upload your image. That is the avatar that you want to upload. Or you can just select from assets, the ones that you have created, or you can select from any of their avatars that are available here. You can see the avatars. So right now, I'm going to select the image that we generated from ChatGPT. And yes, by the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a way that you can use this platform unlimitedly. Now, I hate to do this on my video because I also own a product, but sometimes for the sake of people that don't have the money to start paying for all these AI tools, if you're someone that is starting out online and you don't have the money to start paying for all these expensive AI tools, then this method is the best way for you to start out. Then once you start making the money, you can decide to pay for some of these AI tools. So now I'm going to upload the image that we generated from ChatGPT. Alright, so now I'm uploading the image that we generated from ChatGPT. Then if you scroll down, you can see the option to generate speech, record speech, upload speech, or select from assets. Now, this is why I like this platform. You can generate high quality audio using this particular platform. You don't need to go to any other external site just to get your voiceover. So I'm just going to click on generate speech. Now, once you click on generate speech, at the top here, you're going to see choose voice. Now, this is where you get access to premium AI voices with human emotions. Just take a look at this.
The courage to start is the first step to succeed.
Jackson not only sounds great, he also communicates with feeling and intelligence. Either you run the day or the day runs you.
Hi, my name is Cherry Twinkle, and I am so very excited.
Now, this is the voice I used to create that little cute girl that you saw at the beginning of this video. So now I'm just going to choose a voice that I want to use. And also they have voices in different languages that you can come here and make your choice. I'm just going to select a voice that I want to use. Alright, so now I've selected the voice. Now this is where you paste your script. So I have my script already. So I'm just going to paste the script here. Alright, so now I've pasted the script that I want to use for this tutorial. Now I'm just going to click here to generate the voiceover. Now to generate this voiceover is going to cost you just 10 credits. So just click on this and it's going to generate the voice for us. So let's wait. Now our voice is generated. Just take a look at it now.
Welcome to Jay's channel, created by Jane Francis. Here, AI for content creation and video editing are broken down into simple, practical tutorials. Viewers learn powerful tools, creative techniques, and smart ways.
Alright, so you can see how this voiceover is sounding. Now this is the image that we uploaded. You can see the image. This is the image that we got from ChatGPT that we want to lip sync. Now I'm just going to come here below. This is where you enter a prompt, that is the gesture or what you want the image to be doing as it is talking. So I'm just going to say natural hand gestures matching their speech. Very simple. Now I'm just going to hit on generate. You can see that this is going to cost me about 69 credits. So just hit on generate. So now you can see estimated time. It's going to take around 4 minutes to generate. So let's wait. Sometimes it doesn't even take up to 4 minutes. Sometimes a minute, your video is ready. So let's wait and see what we did together. If you are getting value at this point, don't forget to give us a subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a nice comment in the comment section. Let's wait.
A few moments later.
And under a minute, the video is ready. You can see the video here. It did not even take up to 4 minutes as they said. So I'm just going to download this. Just click here and download it. It's going to be saved to your phone. Now, once I download it, I'm going to play it on a bigger screen so that you can see what we generated together. Alright, so here is the downloaded version on my phone. So let's play it and see what we did together. And at the end of it, I'm going to show you how to get access to this platform unlimitedly, like I said earlier in this video. So let's play it and see.
Welcome to Jay's channel, created by Jane Francis. Here, AI for content creation and video editing are broken down into simple, practical tutorials. Viewers learn powerful tools, creative techniques, and smart ways to level up their digital skills. This community is here to support growth and creativity. Stay tuned, subscribe, and enjoy the journey.
Alright, so that's the video. Now, if you look here, you can see that it has watermark. For you to be able to remove the watermark on the site, you need to use their pro plan. So, but for this is not an issue. You can just use a watermark remover or you can just cover the watermark. It's very simple. I've talked about removing watermark so many times on my channel. So if you have been a follower of my channel, this should not be an issue for you. Just use any watermark remover of your choice and remove the watermark. It's very simple. Now, for the part that I said I'm going to show you how to get access to this website unlimitedly. Now, let's go back to this website. Alright, so here is the website, and you can see that I have 85 credits remaining, which I can still use to create another video up to 30 seconds. Now, what you're just going to do is just to click at this top here. Once you click on it, you're going to see profile. Let me bring this down. You're going to see profile and logout. Click on logout. Now, once you click on logout, you can now sign in with a new email address. It's very simple as that. Once you sign in with a new email address, they'll give you another 500 credit that you can start using to create videos. Now, these 500 credits, you get it every month. So use it and create as many videos as you want. So once you exhaust your 500 credit and you still need to create more videos, just log out and sign in with a new email address. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want a video that you can make your images not just to talk, they can stand, walk, and have normal gestures, check out this video. I don't think you want to miss it. Check it out. You're going to learn how to make your images talk, stand, and walk around. See you guys on my next video.